Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, after this lecture, you will be able to explain what is trial balance. You can able to determine debit and credit of different types of account. You can able to prepare a trial balance. Accounting cycle. First one, identifying transaction. Then analysis of transaction. Then journal. Then ledger. Dear student, then what? Trial balance. That means trial balance is the fifth step of accounting cycle. Dear student, this is trial balance. Look at list of books: Bangla, Maths, English, Accounting, General Knowledge, General Science, etc. This is a list of books. Dear student, trial balance is a list of ledger balance. That means trial balance is a list of ledger balance. All of you know that whatever ledger we prepared, and with each and every balance we have to prepare an account which is trial balance. Trial balance is prepared for testing the arithmetical accuracy. The list which is prepared with the debit and credit balance of ledger is called trial balance. Dear student, in trial balance there are two sides, debit side and credit side account. All of you know that there are five types of account. They are asset, liabilities, revenue or income, expenses and equity. That means how many types of account? Dear student, there are five types of account. Asset and expense account is debit. Dear student, asset and expense account will be debit. Earlier I have told you that in trial balance we have to make debit and credit. That means we have two side. One side will be debit side, another side will be credit side. In debit side we will write debit amount of money, in credit side we will write credit amount of money. Dear student, generally asset and expense account shows debit balance. Revenue, liability and equity shows credit balance. Building, this is a furniture. There are purchasing, salary, asset and expense. That means there are here some example of asset. Building is an asset, furniture is an asset. These things will give us service for long time. That's why it is asset. So asset, on the other hand, salary, this is an expense for organization. Purchase, this is also an expense for an organization. So dear student, building and furniture, this is asset, and salary and purchase, this is example of expenses, and these two accounts shows debit balance. These two accounts shows debit balance. Asset and expense account shows debit balance. Dear student, now look at this is bank. That means we can take loan from bank. So this is liability for organization. Look at sales. This is the income for an organization. Money, capital, equity. That means the money given by the owner. This is equity. And liability, revenue and equity. These three accounts, liability, revenue and equity, shows credit balance. That's why it is credit. Dear student, this is the basic formula for preparing trial balance. Table of a trial balance. Dear student, look at, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column in trial balance. First column is serial number. We will write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then name of account. Just earlier we have given some example: salary, rent, advertisement, purchase, sales, furniture, building. All are the name of account. LF. This will be this column will be blank this time, because in actual life we will write it. Then debit. LF means ledger folio. Debit, that means asset and expense account shows debit balance. So this is debit. and revenue, liability and equity shows credit balance. So these three account will be credit. Dear student, this is a format of trial balance. Look at how we will do trial balance. Serial, name of account, LF, debit taka, credit taka. This is a trial balance. Generally, the following items will not be recorded in trial balance. Dear student, this is very important. Which item will not be recorded in trial balance? Dear student, generally the following item will not be recorded in trial balance for 2 marks. Dear student, now you know that nowadays we are doing accounting in creative basis. So in this creative, requirement A is for 2 marks. So this is the most common item for the requirement A. Which item will not be recorded in trial balance? Number 1, closing stock of goods. Number 2, opening bank balance. Opening bank balance. Then opening bank overdraft. Then opening stock if there is adjusted purchase. Dear student, there is a condition here. If there is any adjusted purchase in the trial balance, in that time opening stock will not be recorded in trial balance, but in that time closing stock will be recorded in the trial balance. Generally closing stock will not be recorded, but if there is any adjusted purchase, that time opening stock will not be recorded. Now opening balance of current asset. Opening balance of current asset. Dear student, if there is any opening balance of current asset like furniture, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, if there is opening balance of this type of asset, that will not be recorded in trial balance. Dear student, unused stationery also will not be recorded in trial balance. Opening balance of current liability. Any liabilities opening balance like opening bank overdraft, this type of item will not be recorded in trial balance. Lastly, contingent liability and anticipated asset. Contingent liability, that means probable liability. It may be liability, it can be liability, that will not be recorded in trial balance. And anticipated asset, that means future asset which may be our asset, that will not be recorded in trial balance. Dear student, I hope all of you understand what is trial balance, how, why we prepare trial balance, and what will be recorded in trial balance, what will not be recorded in trial balance. Dear student, for preparing trial balance, just only one thing is important. You have to keep it in your mind that asset and expense account. That means the account which is our asset, that account will be debited. The account which will be our expenses, that will be debited. On the other hand, the account which is our liabilities, which is our equities, which is our income, that account will be credited. On the other hand, there are some items which will not be recorded in trial balance. You have to keep it in your mind also. Of course, you will copy the items which I have mentioned and you will keep it in your mind. Then easily you can do trial balance, because trial balance is one of the easiest chapter for doing accounting. Dear student, I hope all of you can do this chapter. May Allah help all of us. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.